Today, I'm showing you the Tuya F4 Smart Panel, what it looks like, what it can do, and why it's a great smart home upgrade. The panel features a clean touchscreen design and works as a central control hub for your home. Lights, scenes, and smart devices all in one place. Pairing is very easy using a QR code. Just scan it with the Smart Life or Tuya app and the panel connects instantly. It supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and you can connect external speakers. This makes it more than just a controller, but also a smart communication device. Important to note, the back is square and does not fit round wall boxes, so keep that in mind during installation. By pressing the top right corner several times, you access a menu where you can install apps and unlock extra functions. One of these apps is an intercom, allowing communication between other Tuya or Smart Life smart panels in your home. This is the Tuya F4 Smart Panel. Clean, powerful, and a solid addition to any smart home.
Flickering shadows on the street, electric pulses echo through a world in